How to get gold notes on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to get gold notes on Instagram. You can change the Instagram notes color to golden with just a few simple steps. Just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. First, open the App Store or Play Store on your mobile device and update the Instagram app to the latest version if any updates are available. Once the app is updated, open Instagram. Now you're in the Instagram news feed. At the top right of the Instagram home screen, you'll see the message icon. Tap on it. Here you'll see messages from friends and groups. In the Notes section, tap on Note above your note profile picture. Enter your note text along with the words gold, goat, medal, or victory. Alternatively, you can use the goat emoji or any medal emoji. Once you've added your note, tap the Share button at the top of the screen. Now you and your friends and followers will see your note in gold color. You can also use these words or emojis to change the color of notes in someone else's Instagram posts or Reels videos. And that's it. You've now got your Instagram notes in gold. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.